Maybe you have heard this before. Bug bounty or bug bounty program. What is it really? And why would you want to use it? Well, it's because this is your chance to easily get into cybersecurity penetration testing or hacking career. That is why you need to watch this video. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host, name's Dean Armada, and I am the internet action star. And on this channel, we talk about tech careers and certifications, trivia and tutorials in cybersecurity, trivia and tutorials in cloud and data center, and my journey as an IT instructor. So feel free to check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. Bug Bounty Program, also known as Vulnerability Rewards Program. It's an initiative which company invites hackers to find vulnerabilities and attacks its product or its application. In short, hackers are now welcome. Before, not too long ago, if you report vulnerabilities to companies, more likely you would be landed in jail. This started when Google launched its program in 2011, then followed by Facebook. It's not your traditional penetration testing service as it uses crowdsourcing platform. Okay, why should you use it from a business perspective? Well, based from research, bug bounty program is more effective than the traditional penetration testing services. It is reported an average of 45% of vulnerabilities are found via bug bounty program. It's almost limitless compared to traditional penetration testing because in traditional penetration testing services, it's always limited to the skills of penetration testers and scheduled timelines specified in the contract. In bug bounty program, there are pools of talents that provides a better measure of security skills. It also helps resolve conflict and legal issues between hackers and the company as the platform acts as the third party. Why would you use it? As a cybersecurity professional, it's a way not only to start hacking and penetration testing career, but also to improve your technical skills. You can start looking for vulnerabilities, test hacking as soon as possible. It is also an additional income because there's a reward. Average, I would say 500 to 800 US dollars. But the top boundary rewards would be 2,000 to 20,000 US dollars or even more. You will learn and experience how to hack in a legal way. It's not an overnight success though, nor an overnight mastery. It will take you some time to find bug and vulnerabilities. It will take you a lot of time to get a reward. You will spend hours or days trying to look for vulnerabilities, exploits, and bugs. But if you see one, company will pay you. For some, it will be too much time and effort, but if you really want to learn hacking, especially if you don't have a full-time job, it would be worth it. How to enter bug bounty program. First, we have two types. First is the platform. It's a centralized application or platform where organization registers and provide information such as payment, communication, assistance, statistics to bug bounty hunters. So the registered organization have this bug bounty program on a bug bounty platform. And these platforms are HackerOne, BugCrowd, CNAC, etc. Using platform provides more information such as detailed scope, top hackers, vulnerabilities found, top rewards, and many more. There's also an independent bug bounty program, and they provide their own policies and format. You won't see the same information from a bug bounty platform. It doesn't get much attention unless the company is huge and well known, such as Google, Apple, etc. And to see the bug bounty information and policies, you have to visit the company website because it's not centralized. Independent bug bounty program is not always transparent, but they usually provide basic information such as scope. The scope is basically what are allowed and what are not allowed to hack. Payout details also provided. You will have an idea of how much you will be getting per vulnerabilities. Using a platform is way more common, and we have two categories. One is public, meaning it's open for all, for beginners, professionals, and even experts. Anyone is welcome to hack. Private is only for those invited hackers. These are the top hackers because some companies are looking for a specific skill level from a bug bounty hunter. Here, the most popular bug bounty platform, HackerOne. Now let's visit the directory page. I'm gonna click directory, and it shows us the list of programs. It also shows us the launch date, the number of report resolved, the minimum and average bounties per program. Now let's click one of the programs. So I'm gonna click Spotify. It shows us the average of rewards: low, medium, high, and critical. If I scroll down, there is a main goal from the organization, and it's stated here we are interested in hearing about security issues on all Spotify properties. Now, if you look at the right hand, it also provides us the program statistics. These are bounty information. It's a total 354,000 bounties paid overall. The average bounty is $300, and the top bounty range is from $700 to $3,000. Now, if I scroll down further, we'll see more rules. And it is stated here there are something we explicitly ask you not to do. This includes: do not run automated scans, do not test physical security of Spotify offices, employees, equipment, etc. Do not test social engineering techniques, do not perform DOS or DDoS attacks, and do not in any way attack our end users. Now down here, we have excluded bounties. Okay, so these are the things that you need to understand and read carefully, because we don't want to look for vulnerabilities that we will not be rewarded. Okay, and if I scroll down further, we'll get more out of scope from Android and iOS apps. Now, if I scroll down further, these are the scope, okay, and provides us the domain and subdomains. And on the right hand side, there is a mark eligible. This means if we found vulnerabilities and bugs, we will get a reward. And if I scroll down, it also provides us the source code of Spotify and the iOS Android web playback SDKs. Bug bounty platform pros. First, transparency. Many organizations/program provides useful information because those organizations, what they want is for you to find vulnerabilities so they can fix it as soon as possible. Information such as detailed scope, rates, payouts, response time, etc. You also have multiple options. You can choose from various programs available. And if you don't like the bug bounty platform, like HackerOne for example, you can try others such as BugCrowd, CNAC, Integrity, etc. Bug bounty platform is the best way to learn and improve your hacking skills, and also the best way to be recognized. Bug bounty platform cons. First, hacking is limited. There is a scope. What kind of attacks are rewarded? Because sometimes what you found is zero, no value. Sometimes you may experience reporting issues with the organization, and this would delay your payment. Bug bounty platform is often crowded, and sometimes you will only get small bounty reward, and sometimes you won't get a reward at all after working hours or days. And if you want to do wireless or network related hacking, it's not the best place. Social engineering, malware, DOS, DDoS, physical related attacks, most of the time also not allowed in bug bounty platforms. It's focusing on web applications. Mobile, APIs, and IoTs are included because most of it, if not all, are web-based. One of the reasons why we want to focus on web security, not social engineering, not malware, not wireless access attacks, because I want you to start your career as a bug bounty hunter now, not next month, not next year. This is the easiest way to be a web application penetration tester or a web security specialist. No need for a degree, industry experience not required. You can start and develop your hacking skills while you're learning. And you can also do this part-time.